How's it going, YouTube? Today I'm reviewing my first Kershaw. It's not my first Kershaw knife, just my first official video. It's the Flyby 1404. Just like all other Kershaws, it comes in this pretty generic box. A little bit of paperwork. That's about all that's in there. Here's the knife. It's got a stainless steel handle that I believe is stone washed, or it's got some kind of finish on it. Flipper tab, a few jumps. It's assisted. This knife retails for $50, but you may be able to catch it on sale sometimes. Got a nice looking Warncliffe blade with the black stone wash finish. And it's in D2 steel, which they're doing. Seems like their knives are either 8CR or D2, unless you get one of the USA made ones. This one is from China. The black stone wash looks really good. I'm glad they did that since it is D2. I think this is a very good looking knife. I don't buy a lot of Kershaws, so they're a little bit behind the times, but they did a lot right here. It's a frame lock. You got a deep carry clip with flat screws, recessed flat screws. Nice tension. Jeans could probably get hooked up there, but it seems like a pretty good pocket clip. It's non-reversible. Got 2.9-inch blades, so you'll probably be able to get away with it in the 3-inch states. It's really close to 3, but I didn't get that. It measures 7 inches overall. Let's compare it to a few other knives. This isn't really a review because I haven't had the knife that long, but it don't take me long to tell if I like a knife or not. This is a Kershaw Dividend, my current favorite Kershaw. And then we have, not sure the name of this. This is the Kershaw Comeback. This one's not assisted. The Flyby is a little bit smaller than both of these, but not by much. Got two more here. The SOG Terminus. QSP Penguin. It's pretty close to the SOG Terminus. It's slightly smaller than the Penguin, but the handles are about the same length. Blade stock on this, I got 2.8 millimeters or 0.110. The handle, I got 0.38 inches, which is pretty thin. As you can see, there's no backspacer. You got a little hole in the handle, which I normally don't like holes in handles, but this one seems pretty safe. You can't get your finger in there. Let's go over a few things I don't like about it. Of course, I'm not a big fan of assisted knives. I used to like them before I got into knives really big, but another thing, no backspacer, so you're going to get more lint and dirt in the knife. And they did a nice sharpening choil, or a decent one. You could get a couple sharpens out of it, but they did mess up the sharpening. Looks decent on this side, but on this side, it's good, and then totally different angle right here. It's not a big deal. This is a budget knife. I probably sharpen these in a few seconds on a belt. But yeah, I think that's about all I got for this knife. They're $50. I'll try to link it down below if I can find them. But yeah, subscribe if you ain't. I'm trying to get to 1,000.